Would you keep this baggage, please? Would you keep this baggage, please? I said nothing about the matter. I said nothing about the matter. Have you ever been to Hawaii? Have you ever been to Hawaii? This ice is going to crack. This ice is going to crack. Jack is very friendly to me. Jack is very friendly to me. Do you have any smaller sizes? Do you have any smaller sizes? I feel terrible about my mistake. I feel terrible about my mistake. Not all the students were present. Not all the students were present. The town has many narrow lanes. The town has many narrow lanes. The flowers were dying without water. The flowers were dying without water. Helen visits her uncle every Sunday. Helen visits her uncle every Sunday. These goods are free of tax. These goods are free of tax. He might be our new teacher. He might be our new teacher. There are few houses around here. There are few houses around here. He is sitting on the chair. He is sitting on the chair. I have to go to sleep. I have to go to sleep. You cannot lift that piano alone. You cannot lift that piano alone. Without telephones, it would be inconvenient. Without telephones, it would be inconvenient. I intended to become a teacher. I intended to become a teacher. Can you keep the noise down? Can you keep the noise down? My uncle gave me a present. My uncle gave me a present. A fork fell off the table. A fork fell off the table. It's a fact you can't deny. It's a fact you can't deny. The house was very badly built. The house was very badly built. Writing news stories is his job. Writing news stories is his job. This is how the incident happened. This is how the incident happened. This novel consists of 3 parts. This novel consists of 3 parts. I don't care much for coffee. We rid his house of mice. We rid his house of mice. This can be a real diamond. This can be a real diamond. The accident caused a traffic jam. The accident caused a traffic jam. You must go home at once. You must go home at once. My uncle lives near the school. My uncle lives near the school. Mrs. Baker had her purse stolen. Mrs. Baker had her purse stolen.
Get upstairs.
Get upstairs.
Hug me tight.
Hug me tight.
I need a bag.
I need a bag.
I couldn't care less.
I couldn't care less.
She is a poet.
She is a poet.
I can't bear this.
I can't bear this.
He doesn't bite.
He doesn't bite.
I am ashamed.
I am ashamed.
I love my kids.
I love my kids.
Let's not go.
Let's not go.
He is a genius.
He is a genius.
Don't shoot.
Don't shoot.
There's nothing I can do.
There's nothing I can do.
Keep this.
Keep this.
I didn't find it.
I didn't find it.
Do you trust him?
Do you trust him?
It's very painful.
It's very painful.
I am joking.
I am joking.
Don't be afraid to ask.
Don't be afraid to ask.
Why are you screaming?
Why are you screaming?
She runs fast.
She runs fast.
You did that on purpose.
You did that on purpose.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
Don't wait up for us.
Don't wait up for us.
I lost a bet.
I lost a bet.
I always win.
I always win.
It doesn't matter anymore.
It doesn't matter anymore.
I caught him.
I caught him.
Let's not do this.
Let's not do this.
I am thrilled.
I am thrilled.
What is he talking about?
What is he talking about?
He doesn't believe me.
He doesn't believe me.
It's chilly today.
It's chilly today.
You are a good friend.
You are a good friend.
What is he waiting for?
What is he waiting for?
Catch him.
Catch him.
She is a singer.
She is a singer.
Drink some water.
Drink some water.
I am speechless.
I am speechless.
Why are you sad?
Why are you sad?
Don't leave.
Don't leave.
I will pay you back.
I will pay you back.
Be faithful.
Be faithful.
Do the best you can.
Do the best you can.
He is alive.
He is alive.
I need proof.
I need proof.
I cried all night.
I cried all night.
I love jokes.
I love jokes.
Grab my hand.
Grab my hand.
Do you like sushi?
Do you like sushi?
I like honey.
I like honey.
He dozed off.
He dozed off.
He dumped me.
He dumped me.
I have evidence.
I have evidence.